File Hong Kong activist Agnes Chow comes a court in Hong Kong on Monday, November 23, 2020. One of the best-known pro-democracy activists moved to Canada to carry out more work. He said that he would not return. The city became last politician who escaped from Hong Kong under pressure of Beijing on opponents to meet conditions of bail. Kong, one of best-known pro-democracy activists of Hong Kong, who moved Canada maintain his work, said that he would not return city meet bail conditions and would not become last politician who escaped from Kong under Beijing's impact. Opponents. Agnes Chow, a famous young face in vibrant democracy movement of the city, was arrested under a national security law imposed by Beijing, which entered into force after anti-government protests in 2020. He served more imprisonment. After being released from prison in 2021, he had to report to the police regularly. In an Instagram article on night of Sunday, he said that pressure caused mental illnesses and affected his decision not to return to city. Most of their peers were imprisoned, arrested, forced to maintain or silenced himself after the launch of the security law in 2020. The suppression of pro-democracy movement of city emphasizes that when he returned to China in 1997, freedoms promised to old British colony were greatly eroded. Beijing and Hong Kong greeted the security law to bring back stability to the semi-autonomous China. Chow said in July, authorities offered return passport, so that he could continue to work in Canada on condition he went Chinese motherland with them. The Yields then returned passport. After considering the situation in Hong Kong, Chow said that he would not return to the city again. Chow TV Tokyo on Monday said in a statement, including the option to make asylum in Canada still weighing the next steps. He said, when Tokyo asked if he would take political activism there, he wanted to do something in Hong Kong's interest on Monday. Hong Kong police condemned his movement, saying that Chow was challenging the law, without his name. The police urged the woman to go back immediately and not to choose a path that is not irreversible. Asked about Chow's daily briefing, Chinese Foreign Ministry spokesman Wen Bin said that Hong Kong is a legal society and that no one has a privilege beyond the law. In 2014, Chow became famous for other leading young activists Joshua Wong and Nathan Law, including pro-democracy protests. He founded Demosisto, a pro-democracy party that is currently destroyed, with Wong and Law, but party disbanded on 30 June 2020 on day of security law. Wong is now in custody and if he is convicted of a life imprisonment that may lead to life imprisonment.